Welcome to my channel, Nulo Freestyle High Protein Cat Food. Nulo Freestyle High Protein Cat and Kitten Food, Chicken and Cod. Recipe is a premium, grain-free dry cat food crafted to meet the nutritional needs of both kittens and adult cats. Protein-rich food for cats and kittens, this formula starts with real deboned chicken as the #1 ingredient, ensuring a strong foundation of high-quality animal protein. With chicken meal and turkey meal rounding out the top 3 ingredients, this recipe delivers the essential amino acids cats need for lean muscle development and sustained energy. Compare this nutrient-dense formula to your current brand. You'll see the Nulo difference right away. In addition to its impressive protein content, this recipe includes a blend of omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids that help support a glossy coat and healthy skin. These omega fatty acids for skin and coat work from within to help your pet look and feel their best every day. Your cat's digestive health and immune function are top priorities, which is why Nulo Freestyle includes prebiotic fiber and BC30 probiotics. These ingredients help promote a balanced gut microbiome, supporting smooth digestion and a resilient immune system. Ideal for cats or kittens with sensitive stomachs or dietary concerns. It's a thoughtful formula that supports healthy digestion and immune system function from the inside out. Fortified with taurine, this dry cat food also helps maintain a strong heart and clear vision. Taurine is essential for feline health, and combined with Nulo's small, easy-to-chew disc-shaped kibble, it contributes to heart health and overall vitality. It's an important feature for growing kittens and active adult cats alike, offering taurine for heart and vision support in every bite. Nulo keeps it clean and simple with no fillers, just premium ingredients. You won't find grains, corn, wheat, soy, white potatoes, or tapioca here. Every ingredient has a purpose, and every bag is made in the USA using the finest globally sourced components. From deboned chicken and cod to wholesome peas, lentils, flaxseed, cranberries, and dried kelp, Nulo delivers a complete and balanced meal your cat will love, without the extras they don't need. For cat parents who want the best in nutrition, flavor, and natural ingredients, Nulo Freestyle High Protein Cat and Kitten Food is a smart, nourishing choice. Thanks for watching this video.